Right, penny for say adia china yanti asema fufra as a enyeda. Yes. As long as Charterhouse involved almost with organizing VGMA or TGMA, no, there will be always a controversy on it. Kweku Anansi main project Amerado Akasa comedian Obi Amponsam so Ede Diaba Guru Enya consolidation nomination Obi winning for the first time in history and I said the Sista Afia Charterhouse downplay our musical career. Producer Roro so about hate harder great ampon style BLB Chief One so say then away nomination with the Toyota music now or the bar out this and many more and I ever become asem our showbiz bulletin so our showbiz music academy and the very first time I'm in Wakwaba Ediba but it was also be hate subscription button so my send any moment be release fufrobiano on sabe to me I can your friend is Sankofa with me friend is Sankofa the baby obe home biano just call me Sankofa. Alright, without wasting my time, you dive into the detailed headlines now you mentioned above. Now you the echo and the airbar. Amerado say at the NT and a Kweku Anansi. So Kweku Anansi ne ye womumi no, which is the original one on Nkwaye no, and then the remix one on or the family etoso no. Okay, so the remix one on the family or the family etoso no. Enya nomination, which is Best High Life or Hip Life Artist of the Year, or the Kweku Anansi remix in Enya. But Kweku Anansi main project Nankasa Kamba, which is the original project, no Enya nomination. According to Amerado, no file a couple of nomination for the Kweku Anansi main project I call Vara because when you man make it sense, there's no way be a remix of that particular song. And no any comedy Obi and Ponsan can say. Or no, my friend is a shameful act towards your friend is a Amerado Kweku Anansi project because if a remix it to me enya what the and main project and to me enya because I watch Kweku Anansi project na e cover ye ankasa so nka obet me enya a couple of nomination even songwriter of the year or a whole bunch of nomination for that particular project but to me Amanisa. So these are some of the controversies happening here after Charterhouse unveiled the nomination for this year's TGMA Ghanaian friend VGMA. Yaya Guru NKZ Kola Fede Mumbuadi. Hey, Papa we abre. Wasn't when your nomination after a couple of years I'll call off a private life or the Enya one Ababenya nomination, which is Best High Life Song of the Year. And you don't know what's a category in so. Read yourself was Ghana. And workers we are consolidation awards Guru Ebabenya and as a way to be chaff and corner, Sanebea ne record Ohodi as a artist here in Ghana, my hate and my household terms, Pole Swaganachi, and then Honke Kawano. Is it going to remain the same thing? And as a Guru bet me a triafa or Chame Kwame Kimpaluta radio so any and Kofa a Kekan Hona wait me enya his first standard or recognized awards here in Ghana. Giving us back to back hit will be to me and recognizing or based on or in terms of awards scheme. Sista Afia and so about Bekasa. Your name says Sista Afia a couple of tracks. We're into the music scene for a quite long time. We feature Shatawale with Jeje, we feature Kofi Kinata, MDK, Kwame Eugene, Kwame na MP on a couple of projects. Nenyon Bebre, Asoden, our name Kwame Eugene, Koye, share collaboration on the medical and Kwame na MP. Whether it make a whole lot of sense. But on no one is a Charterhouse downplay on the musical career. And because of that, I feel so sad, I feel bad. Charterhouse, and to me, no, the appropriate recognition in the music industry. And no, Sista Afia Eka, or say, Ninche Muni Nani say, or say, I then why you be and answer day. With you be nice, was so one answer day. because in the modern morning idea or yeah our music industry anymore, it seems like Obibia enhu no our Charterhouse ho and as only link and answer then so what you say no and Sista Afia there can ho asem into another controversy so about after the VGMA and answer TGMA nomination no about out no saying Sista Afia so there can. The next controversy I will list and so in terms of TGMA nomination list no eba out no ya producer Roro body abrasti TGMA organizers say you know one saying na ame because a great ampon ne track style biabi enya nomination any of the categories anymore. Deep down to the gospel scene when to me enya bibia wom now what gospel scene some of the faces in be work won't say that obi work na check in YouTube channel na here the household platform popular here in Ghana no krampo na at least in be work onya 2k subscribers simple no waka say na nyum bia cover or say at least in be work krampo no what the gospel category no enya nomination in krampo obi enim no industry ni or no as a branded gospel producer ne krampo no working in the music industry ni mu acha no onim krofo bebre or a couple of people within the nomination about out no. So how come say ampon great ampon ni way no entumi enya nomination bia ewom all to aso o kire mu say if there's a wuni plug and I say bibisa ewo soro ho a ebe den so obetumi enya nti no the channel so mu yi emotions any sa ni o mani ni ayede emfiri mu se ne ebe ya awards ni betumi ayede akoso nti say na ro music producer kan ho asem concerning TGMA nominations na ayede about out no Chief One yeni ayenim Chief One say o performing or VGMA 2023 experience concept or so enya best new act nomination last year which is 2023 award scheme ono so ababeka sa afa ho say dan na nenyum Toyota entumi enya nomination bia ewo ho and so the way ekoye na ono so expressing a concern. These are some of the few controversies are popping out. From now to the 1st of June or July, awards no. Even after the awards ceremony in Ukraine, a lot of people will express their concerns, their grievances. Some of popular bloggers in the Krabi still making a lot of comments on a whole bunch of issues related to the whole thing. And no one over here, Showbiz Bulletin, to Bisa say, do artists really want to scale their performance or their stand based on somebody's award scheme and answer them? Do you normally think it's receiving awards in whichever means, because we've tagged most of the award scheme as transparent, they are being based on financial gainings, any idea nominations or even getting the award itself. So as an artist, if all these speculations is around an award scheme, the notable award scheme my way mu na say wunya nomination na no na obetumi dey chance to dey motivational, it can of some way. This is how we end today's episode on Showbiz Bulletin. I go by the name Sankofa. See you.